Hello, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. I drop video tutorials on awesome designs you can create with just your smartphone. Don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on your notification to get alerted whenever I drop new video tutorials.
Alright, you are welcome to this video tutorial. This is Iniski Designs, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a fade effect, how to blend images to background. Alright, let's go right into what we have. So this is my Pixellab app. I'm deleting this right away. I don't need that. So let me change the color of my background. Yes, let me change the color of my background. Just follow me carefully. Yes. Okay, let me change it to yellow. Yellow. Alright, this is it. Look at it. This is yellow. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to import the text I want to work with. Yes, from gallery. Okay. Yes. Alright, so this is the text I want to work with. This is the text I'm going to work with. Yes, this is it. Alright. Mark. Okay, so this is the test. Yes, so this is the I'm going to work with. So let me bring it and align it. Let me align it. Yes, this is it. So the next thing you are going to do now is to bring in a shape. Look at this. Just follow the cursor. Look at the shape. Yes. So this is the shape. You are going to enlarge it, a rectangle shape. Then the next thing is you come to color, but you are not going to use color. We are using gradient. So click on gradient. Okay, let me use this default gradient. So let me use this. Then tap here. Look at this. Tap this plus. Tap the plus button. Then the next thing is that you click here. This black. I want to change it to white. Then once it's white, I want to make it transparent. Look at it. It's not transparent. Okay. Then this white. Look at it. This white. I want to. Okay. Now I want this white. I want to make this white the same color with this background. Look at it. It is how to blend images to background, fade effect. So I want to change the color of this white to this background. Yeah, just follow me carefully. So this is the white plus. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is it. Then this. So let me pick the color from the background. So this is the color. Okay. Alright. So now I want to bring this up a bit. Yes, it's better now. Okay. Alright, so now I want to adjust it. Okay. Yes. So this is it. Yeah, so this is it. Now you look at it. See, it's now blended. Look at it from here. Yes, to this. Okay, let's edit it to make it look more better than this. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Alright, so this is better. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so this is it. Look at it. So now we've created our fade effect. Look at it. Is this simple? If the color of a background is white, all you do is I just change the color of this to white too. Is that simple? Okay, white. The color of a background, is white. Now look at it. Is that simple? Yes. Okay, so this is just how to blend your image to the background, how to create the fade effects. All right, so back to our yellow. Yes, so this is it. Then depending on the other editing you want to do, I'm copying this. Yeah, back, copy to back. It depends on whatever you want to design. All right, so this is it. So you see the fade effect now. Yes, so thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so that you keep getting amazing content and amazing design tutorials and tips and tricks from this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.